Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta Vijay. So many new people on my channel. Thank you so much for hitting that red button and welcome to my space. Now, just like my last wedding makeup look, which was the typical Sabyasachi look, something that every Bollywood actress carries, the very simplistic minimal bride, many of you enjoyed it and wanted more simple looks, and I wanted to show you a look for a daytime. So if you have a wedding function that is around daytime, I'm talking about Sangeet or Mehndi, or even if you have a Christian wedding you want to attend, because most of the weddings are during the day, you can definitely carry off this look. This kind of a pinky tone offset is very flattering on our Indian skin tone. And when you add that shimmer and glitter to the inner corner and keep the rest of the makeup very monochromatic, pink just makes everything look a lot more feminine, lot more ladylike and classy, and what is most important, it makes you look much more younger. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so I took my shower, prepped and primed my skin. In the skincare department, as usual, hyaluronic serum, vitamin C, sunscreen. So now I'm going to spray this toner that I have been testing out lately. It's from a brand called Pure by Priyanka. But this green tea toner, this is the oil control toner, okay? And it has calamine, witch hazel, rose water, tea tree oil, basil, aloe vera, lemon peel, and you can feel the goodness on your skin, you guys. It just smells fresh. Your skin feels nice and tight, and yet at the same time supple without drying it out. Smells so nice. So I'm just going to take the Studio Oil Primer and I'm just going to dab that wherever my skin is feeling a little crusty. I've already done my eyebrows. This is using the brow blade, and I have done a whole tutorial on how I get my eyebrows to be nice and thicker. Alright, so I've put 2 sticky tape, okay, for the eye makeup. We are about to start off that before we go on with the rest of the face. So I am going to start off with the P. Louise base, okay. This is an eyeshadow primer. I love this primer because whatever color that I have, discolorization that I have on my eyelids, it will erase that, and at the same time it doesn't crease. It just grabs on colorful eyeshadows. Pink is a color that usually you need a little bit more help when it sits on a brown skin. So taking the new nude from Huda Beauty, I'm just using the shade Bare. Not that this requires any setting, but just to be on the safer side, I'm just going to apply this with a powder. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to put an eyeshadow pigment first and then work my powder eyeshadows on top of that. Now, many people say that you're not supposed to mix the two, but I feel that when you put a good quality pigment underneath your powdered eyeshadow, it makes the eye makeup last for a very long time. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Rave. This is the eye pigment from Milk Makeup. This is such a beautiful pigment. It reminds me of Mermaid from YBP Cosmetics, but a little more potent. So what I'm going to do is slowly raising my eyebrows, I'm going to cover my eyelids, from my crease line all the way to the outer edge. And having a flat eyebrow brush just helps you get onto that crease line properly, giving you that proper arc. Over this, I'm going to start off with Secret, and then I'll go to Teddy, and then I'll go over to Tickle. This way, while raising your eyebrows, you're making sure that you are not raising it all the way to your brow line and making it look more editorial. And this palette is perfect for pink lovers, anyone that loves a good nude eyeshadow. I think you'll really enjoy this. I've done a whole review on the Huda Beauty new nudes. Slowly keep patting, keep blending, and that is key. Now I'm going to take Teddy and deepen that crease line again. Tap the excess out and slowly keep building it. Very small circles. You start blending it. Add slowly. There's no hurry while blending. Raise your eyebrows so that you can see the crease line properly. I'm taking a clean fluffy brush. I'm just going to clean all that up. This is Morphe E27 brush. I absolutely love this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take that pinky tone called Tickle. I'm going to start building it right here. I'm going to pat it all the way to the midsection. I'm not going to bring it to the inner corner. I'm going to clean the brush, and we are going to start off with Spanked. Slowly pat that right on the outer corner. and blend. Now you take a clean blending brush and you blend all of that so that there's no harsh line. Find raising my eyebrows this way just gives it a very clean definition. So now let's do a cut crease and clean this up. Push it downwards while you're doing a cut crease. So I'm going to take Bare from the new nude and I'm just going to pat that concealer. And whatever was left in the fluffy brush, I'm just going to rotate this right in the middle so that it looks as if it's merging in. Now I'm taking this shimmery pink eyeshadow called Daydream. It's got these reflexes, silver reflexes on that. And I'm going to be taking that on my flat brush. After I take it, I'm going to like spray it with a fixing spray so that the intense color really comes out. And that's what I'm going to apply on my inner corner area. I'm going to take Huda Beauty Matte on Metal in Cherry Soda. I'm just going to add a little bit of it right here on the center, just to give me more reflexes. I'm going to take Tickle and put that on my lower lash line. Time to apply my artificial lashes and I shall be right back. It's a daytime kind of a makeup and you just want those pink offsets to be seen a lot, which will be covered if you wear those dramatic lashes. Just on the end, I'm just going to cheat a little bit of a winged eyeliner. I like to add a lot more concealer to my face so that I just have to go very less with my foundation. Taking my YBP Perfector sponge, I'm just going to dab that and blend it into my skin. I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Genius. I'm just going to apply that. This is in 03. You want to see the best of Nykaa, please just hit the card right above my head. Taking the Japanese stippling brush, I'm just going to stipple away this foundation so that it will give me more of a skin-like effect. Of all the Nykaa foundations that I have tried out, I feel this one is the best. I'm going to take the Easy Bake Banana Bread Huda Beauty loose powder and with my YBP sponge, I'm just going to apply that and set my face. Taking whatever is left of this Hoola bronzer, I'm trying to finish off everything, you guys. Otherwise, I wouldn't use this because it's not cruelty free. It's like one of the oldest thing. Please don't buy it. It's beautiful, no doubt, but try to use all cruelty free products because you want that sun-kissed kind of a look for a daytime event. And since we're trying to keep everything young, fresh and girly, you don't want to go with extreme contouring. At least for me, I don't prefer that. Subtly contour right here. Taking the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in Malibu Barbie. This has coral and peachy tones. I'm just going to rotate my brush, tap the extra and start building it up right here because we want that girly feel. Time to remove that excess powder out of the nose. I'm going to brush that over my nose so that it gives a nice sun-kissed look. So I'm taking another one from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Glow Getter in Glitterati 02 and I'm taking this rose gold. I'm going to build that up. And then right here and on the inner corner of my eye. This is PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner in Plush. And on top of this, I am going to go with Huda Beauty Bombshell. Such a pretty soft pink color giving offset of peach, which is so perfect and it complements the eye makeup a lot. Pack Micro Finish Setting Spray. This is the time you look at your eye makeup and see what needs to be blended even more, what needs to be added. Taking my Miss and Mrs. Kajal, I'm just going to apply that right here on the lower lash line. And taking that blending brush, I'm just going to buff it out. I'm going to take Pink of Me from Marc Jacobs. This is their gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner. Time to apply mascara on the lower lash. Very, very important. This is my favorite mascara at the moment, the PAC Volume Blast. This, you guys, completes another Indian wedding guest makeup. A daytime look, very fresh, very girly, very young. That's what we are aiming for, okay? So imagine if I can do this on my acne prone skin, how it would look on your blemish free skin. It is so pretty, and this eye makeup is, I'm absolutely loving it. It's great. If you're carrying this forward all the way till the evening, you can add just a little bit more glitter and a lot more pinky tones right there on the outer corner. But for me, for my daytime look, I think it's adding just the right amount of shimmer. What I'm going to do is, because you guys know how I am such a big fan of a glossy lip, that's what I'm going to apply over here. This is completely optional. I've given you an option of how it looks with a matte lip. But for me, I'm taking my Fenty gloss, because it's got a pinky tone. This is Fussy, and I'm just going to add that in the middle. Minimal simplistic makeup is what my channel is all about. Do let me know in the comment section what else you'd like to see. I have a couple of looks in mind for sure. So if you're looking out for something a little more daring and a little more, what can I say, a little more dramatic, then don't worry, I've got your back. I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.